14 unique apartment kitchen ideas. Take this cozy kitchen from taking notes, for example. Just a few unexpected pieces, like a fabric bench and a bookshelf, help create a unique space that causes no permanent damage and makes the space instantly feel homier. Something as simple as swapping out old cabinet pulls can up your space's character and make boring cabinets look freshly renovated. We love these leather cabinet pulls seen on May_B_May_S Instagram page. They're modern and streamlined and can work with nearly any kitchen style. Just be sure to put the original pulls in a safe place so you can replace them before you move out. When it comes to small kitchens, finding space for utensils can be a necessary struggle. If you're short on counter space, it's time to think vertically. This wire rack from A Beautiful Mess is a perfect non-permanent way to add extra storage space and lends a modern feel to the kitchen. If you can't renovate your kitchen, you might as well add a beautiful statement piece. This kitchen from Christopher Haluski features a custom reclaimed wood table that acts as the perfect visual focal point for the space. Though it may feel wasteful to buy furniture for a kitchen that's not yours, consider splurging on a table, chairs, or another item you love to make the space feel more your own. You don't have to be super handy to swap out a ceiling light, and it's one of the best ways to temporarily upgrade a space. This rustic strainer pendant light from Shelterness is an adorable, kitschy idea that's perfect for kitchens with the dreaded boob light fixture. Swapping a light takes only minimal handiwork, but if you're not electrically inclined, consider hiring a handyman for this quick afternoon project. Ugly backsplash can ruin an otherwise decent kitchen, but you don't have to live with it. This bright, festive backsplash from the Nick Studio is actually a temporary stick-on that can be easily removed without causing any damage. Covering unsightly backsplashes is a great way to update your kitchen and make it feel completely new. If we didn't tell you, you probably wouldn't have known that these marble countertops from Make Do and DIY were actually created with a few rolls of contact paper. Many rental kitchens are, unfortunately, outfitted with cheap laminate countertops that are no one's idea of luxury. But the good news is that with some contact paper and a little patience, you can cover unsightly counters and make them look high-end. If you have an old filing cabinet lying around, you can easily repurpose it as a unique rolling island perfect for any small apartment kitchen. This adorable DIY spotted on Curbly is a great way to add a little extra counter space as well as some visual interest to an otherwise plain kitchen. Paint the filing cabinet a bold color to really make a statement. If you haven't considered putting a few pieces of art in your kitchen, now's the time to reconsider. This stunning kitchen from Emily Henderson proves that a few striking pieces of art can really elevate your kitchen game. If you don't have the money to splurge on fine art, consider hanging something more unusual, such as baskets or even a small rug. Rental kitchens are often short on storage space, but with a little creativity, you can turn that con into a major pro. Blogger Inspiration for Moms used a decorative tray to organize bottles of olive oil and salt. If your kitchen is short on space, use it as an excuse to buy fancy dispensers and keep them at arm's reach. We're fans of adding greenery to, well, every room in your house, and this stunning space from SF Girl by Bay is evidence you should definitely bring this trend into the kitchen. Sprinkle easy-to-care for plants into the free corners of your countertop or on a plant stand, as this blogger did. If you're really horticulturally inclined, adding a few hanging baskets full of winding, climbing plants is a surefire way to transform your space in one fell swoop. Replacing your floor is definitely on the short list of things you should never do in a rental, but that doesn't mean you can't improvise. This beautiful kitchen from Honestly WTF may already have nice floors, but the Turkish runner is great inspiration for those of us who may not be as lucky. Not only will a stunning rug cover flooring that's well past its prime, it also adds a bit of cushion for those hours of Sunday meal prep. Whether you have a landlord who hasn't renovated your kitchen in what feels like decades or you have a fully upgraded space, vintage details can be a great way to add some personality to your kitchen. Here, blogger Sarah Joy uses an enamel pan as a cookbook organizer, which not only adds a fun visual detail, but is also incredibly useful. You'll want to check with your landlord before attempting this makeover, but many will allow you to make changes that can be easily fixed upon move-out. If your landlord approves the project, we highly recommend covering a bare kitchen wall with a coat of chalkboard paint, as seen in this space from Hunted Interiors. A black accent wall not only adds a moody element to your kitchen, but you'll also never forget to buy butter again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.